Here at Phoenix Home Remodeling, you can see your project come to life with our custom 3D rendering. We primarily specialize in kitchens and bathrooms. We do offer full home renovations, but our bread and butter is the kitchen and the bathroom. Pertaining to the kitchen, there are 3 different options that you may choose. We do offer cabinet resurfacing, which is going to be 80% new cabinetry. You're going to keep your existing layout. You'll get new doors, new drawers. We also offer RTA, which is a ready-to-assemble cabinet. Or for a more custom look, we do full custom, which these will be solid wood in any color that you can pick or even select. We can do that. So when Phoenix does take on a bathroom renovation, we come in and we rip everything down to the stud. We use large formatted tiles to where it's going to be virtually no grout, which means no bacteria, very easy to clean and maintain, something that is much more elegant with a high-end look. And we do all of that while still saving our customers money, and it gets done in the same amount of time. We collaborate their ideas with ours. It has to be important to them and what they love. We will give our input if it's needed. A lot of the times it is, and we make a nice mediation between the two to really make it fit what you are looking to get done in your home. You can find us online at phoenix-homeremodeling.com.